Okay everyone, hello and welcome to a new tutorial. Today we're talking about our channel tab, and there's lots of amazing stuff in this tab that you should really pay attention to, because this is where you become a YouTube partner and you set up a lot of settings to make your uploads more efficient. So first, in the stats and features, this is a great page to go to just see what are you able to do on YouTube. And first, you can see for me, I'm a partner verified. Now there is a little application to be verified as a partner, but I do highly recommend becoming a partner because you are available to do a lot more things like monetizing your videos. You can upload longer videos, you can do external annotations and custom thumbnails and all of that stuff. And so the first thing, if you aren't partner verified, is to apply for partner verification. And once you do that, you will have more options. Here's also where you'll see your status for different things like copyright infringements, community guidelines. Obviously, if you're doing a lot of using a lot of people's videos that are copyrighted or doing things that are against the YouTube guidelines, then you aren't going to be in good standing, and that's not good. They might close your channel down, they might ban you, they might prevent you from uploading new videos. So you want to make sure that you are following the rules. Here you have your monetization settings. So for me, you can see that it says I can use ads to monetize your videos. But first, you're going to have to actually set that up. So if you don't have monetization, you're going to have to click the monetization button to go ahead and set up your actual account. And so you might have to set up your AdSense association to enable that, but just go ahead and follow all those directions, because in the end, if you have a popular channel, you can make some good money through the ads. Also, if you're uploading longer videos, you will want to become a partner so you can do that, because typically the limit is 15 minutes. And with all of these, you can check out on your own page, but these are all options that basically allow you to do a lot more things with your channel. The next tab is the monetization tab. And so this is where we went just a second ago, but this is where you can review or change or submit your application to become AdSense associated and to monetize your videos. With your upload defaults, this is a very great tool to use, and I highly suggest this being one of the first things you do when you set up your YouTube channel, because this is when you upload a new video, all of these things will be set up for you, and you don't want to have to go through and set all this up every time you upload a video. And so for me, my privacy is automatically set to public, my category is set to education, my license is set to standard and not Creative Commons, which means other people can use the content in their own videos. I don't have a standard title because all my titles are different, but in the description, these are some key things that you should be adding to your own videos. So first, I have the main link that I want to send people to. Most of my tutorials are related to my online courses, and so I want people to take an online course after they've seen one of my tutorials. And so I'll have this standard, take a premium course at my courses page. Now you notice that I've included the http:// in the URL, and you have to do that in this description. Otherwise, these links won't actually work. If you just do www.philebiner.com or whatever your website is, it won't link out to it. You have to include the http://. In between this line and this next line, that's generally where I would include all of my description for my courses or for the video that I upload. And then after that, I always include, please subscribe to my channel and leave a comment below, just to try to get people to subscribe and engage with the videos. And then lastly, I have the key links that I want people to visit. So I have my Video School Online link, I have my courses link, which this should actually be updated, so this is great. I'm going to go ahead and update this right now. It actually goes to the same page, but this is just a prettier link. I have my Twitter account and I have my Facebook account. So if you have any other social media that you do a lot of, I would include it here as well. And this way it always goes on every video. You don't have to copy and paste this. You don't have to type it in every time. It's automatically there. And I'll show you that in a second. Below you have your tags, and so this is something important too. I always include the name of my channel in my tags. If you are more niche and specific in all your videos, say you are doing yoga videos, yoga training, maybe you want to include specific tags for yoga, yoga training, yoga lesson, yoga tutorial, online yoga video, all those different tags that you would typically add on every single video. But for me, since all my videos are very different, I only include the Video School Online tag. And then down below, you just have your settings for monetization, the ad formats that you want to include, commenting if people can comment or rate your videos. Now, we'll go over ad formats in the future, but you have your basic ad formats here. This is your overlay in video ads. So this is the ad that pops up at the bottom of your video page. Your skippable video ad. So this is the one where it pops up before your video page plays and people have to wait 5 seconds to skip it. Or you have your sponsored cards. Now that YouTube added cards, they're similar to annotations, but they pop up in the middle of your videos. You can have sponsored cards where people pay to have cards in your videos. And typically I just add those for all my videos. You have your video language. You can allow viewers to contribute subtitles and closed captions if you want. I haven't done that yet. And you can do all your video location and make stats public if you want. So like views and those types of things. And so just really quickly, let me go to upload. If I go ahead and just click a video to upload, I'll just pretend like I'm gonna upload my No Need Crusty Bread video again. You can see as soon as I upload it, I have my description already in here and my one tag that's already here. So, and typically if you don't have a title right here, the title will be the name of your file. And so naming your file correctly is another way to quickly make your title easy because it automatically is plugged in when you upload it. So I'm just going to exit out of that. So that is upload defaults. To the left, you have a paid subscriptions. Actually, first let me save this because I did change this course's link. Okay, so next is paid subscription. So now on YouTube, you can actually create a channel that people have to pay a subscription fee to see. Now, I don't suggest doing that, but it is something that you could think about if you have a premium channel. But for most of us, we're creating free content that we're putting online, trying to build our brand, and it's not going to be easy doing that with a paid subscription model. But it is a cool thing that YouTube is starting to do things like this to allow monetization of your video. Next, let's go to featured content. So here, this is where you can add your channel ad or channel trailer. So this is the ad that people will see when they come across your channel. Or you can add featured content. So if you click here, it says feature one of your videos or playlists across all of your videos. And so say you want a specific video to be featured on all of your videos, you can do that. So you can say choose video, and maybe you have a welcome video or something that's very popular that you want to add, or a playlist. I always just use my most recent upload so that people can see my recent uploads as that featured content. So you can see here what it would look like. So at the end of the video, you can choose when you want to display it, at the end of the video, or there's a custom start time, but I just like doing it at the end of the video. Someone can see a little box that pops up for my latest video. So maybe I'll do custom start time and I'll say 30 seconds. I know that a lot of people don't watch videos completely, so if they have watched it for 30 seconds, that means they're somewhat interested, and maybe that will help improve people clicking on this custom start time or this featured video box. So I'll just update, and now that will work on all of my videos. Cool. The next thing is branding. So this is where you can brand your videos with a watermark, and it's something that I suggest doing. It just makes your videos more professional looking. For me, I have my logo, this V right here that pops up on my videos. One thing that I've seen a lot of people do when they're building their channels for the first time is to actually upload their logo But instead of a logo, it's a little button that says subscribe. So you can see here that it has my V for Video School Online, but imagine if it was a little button that said subscribe. That's going to be showing up throughout your entire video. And when someone clicks on that, it goes to your channel page and people can then subscribe to your channel. So if on all of your videos, it has a little subscribe button here, you're more likely to get people to subscribe to your channel. Now, I did that for a while, but then I changed it recently after I have been getting a lot of subscribers, and I just wanted to promote my brand more and more. So I have this V that is my branding, and I keep it on there. You can also change the display time. You can add it to the end of the video or starting at a specific point. I just keep it on the entire video. And then down here under your channel, you have your advanced options. So you can change the logo of your page right here. You can change the country where you're at and your channel keywords. This is something important because sometimes your channel will appear in the search results when someone searches for, say you are a yoga instructor and you are teaching yoga. If you have a bunch of yoga related keywords, when someone searches for yoga videos, then your channel might show up in the search feed. So it's important to have channel keywords related to the videos that you post. You have your advertisements, allowing advertisements or not. You have your AdWords account. You can associate a website with your channel. So this is important if you want to use YouTube cards or annotations to link out to your personal website. Now we'll go over YouTube cards in the future, but this is where you would associate your website. Otherwise, you can't link out to your website. Like I couldn't link out to videoschoolonline.com without associating it. And associating it is basically a way that YouTube is able to tell that you own this website. You have to put a little bit of code on your website so that YouTube knows that you own this channel. You can't just link out to like Facebook or something like that. You have to own the website to be able to link out to it. And then lastly, you have your channel recommendations. So on your channel page, there is a little box that shows recommendations for other channels. You can allow that or not allow it. And same with subscriber count. You can display the number of subscribers or not. So that is the channel tab. There's a lot of stuff. I know this was a longer video, but a lot of great stuff. The key things to look at are your upload defaults when you're getting started. Set those up. And then your status and features. Make sure that you get partner verified so that you have all these other options like monetization, uploading longer videos, etc. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next tutorial.